Mr. Ohm found out the resistance of his ohm. He was a German gentleman. And the Greek alphabet we use for ohms of resistance, how difficult it is for electrons to go along a wire or other circuit piece. The symbol we use is the omega sign. And the way to remember that is what you would say if you got off a very large horse and somebody asked, "What shape are your legs?" You'd answer, "Omega." Who's Omega? And so I say that to my students, and then I get them to draw what their legs would look like if they got off a really big horse. And then I get them to Google it, put it on the board. And that makes them remember. Omega, stretched legs. Yep. Ohms of resistance.